Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps in bicycle mode. If you're a cyclist looking to find the safest and most efficient routes for your rides, this feature is incredibly useful as it shows you dedicated bike lanes, trails, and bicycle-friendly roads in your area. To get started, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all the mapping features. Once you're on the page, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll see an option called Layers. Hover your mouse over this option and a menu will appear with different map views. From this menu, click on Biking. This is the key step that switches your map into bicycle mode, allowing you to see cycling-specific information. Now you're in bicycle mode and you'll notice that your map has changed to display cycling routes and paths. Take a moment to observe the different colored lines that have appeared across the map, as these indicate various types of cycling infrastructure. At the bottom of your screen, you can see detailed information about the different biking routes available. Understanding these color codes is essential for planning your ride effectively. First, you'll see black straight lines on the map. These represent trails, which are typically separated paths designed specifically for cyclists and pedestrians. Second, you'll notice green straight lines. These indicate dedicated lanes, which are bike lanes that are clearly marked and separated from regular traffic, providing a safer cycling experience. Third, you'll see dotted green lines appearing on the map. These mark bicycle-friendly roads, which are streets that are safe and suitable for cycling even though they may not have dedicated bike lanes. Last, you'll find dashed lines on your map. These represent dirt or unpaved trails, which are perfect if you're looking for off-road cycling adventures. Now that you understand what the different routes mean, it's time to plan your journey. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in the location or place you want to reach. This could be a specific address, a landmark, or just a general area you want to explore by bike. After entering your destination, click on Directions. This will open up the route planning interface where you can customize your journey. You'll now see a field asking for your starting point. Input the place where you'll be beginning your ride in the starting point field. This could be your home address, your current location, or any other place you're departing from. Then look at the top of the screen where you'll see different transportation mode icons. Click the bicycle icon to ensure your route is optimized for cycling. Now you have a complete route from your starting location to your destination that uses bicycle-friendly paths and lanes, taking advantage of all the cycling infrastructure available in your area. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Google Maps in bicycle mode and plan safe, efficient cycling routes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.